Bonjour et bienvenue à ma chaîne YouTube. Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn some adjectives in French. Les adjectifs en français. C'est parti! In French, when it comes to learning adjectives, there are two details that one must keep in mind. The first is the position of the adjectives. There are some adjectives that come before the noun and there are many that come after the noun. So there is a list that one must memorize. And the second detail is to respect the agreement between the subject and the adjective. That is, if the subject or the noun is feminine, the adjective will agree with the subject and will have changes in the spelling. If the noun is in the plural form, again the adjective will agree with the subject. So these are the two details. Now to understand these two details, let's have a look at the sentences. The first one, c'est une tirée fleur. It's a dash flower. We have some adjectives in the brackets, and these adjectives, beau, belle, and belle, all these adjectives mean beautiful. Beau means beautiful or handsome, and it's an adjective in the masculine singular form. Belle means beautiful. It's an adjective in the feminine singular form. And belle. Belle is an adjective which is suitable for a noun that is masculine, singular, and starts with a vowel. So, knowing the differences in the usage of each of these adjectives that mean the same, we need to decide which one will we use for the subject or for the noun in the sentence. Now the noun is fleur. Fleur means flower, and it's a noun which is feminine singular. So our answer here is belle. C'est une belle fleur. It's a beautiful flower. So we observe that belle is an adjective that comes before the noun, and we are choosing the second option in the brackets, that is belle, because belle is an adjective that agrees with the subject, and the subject is feminine singular. Therefore, we are using belle. Moving on to the second sentence, c'est la tirée question. Now, we have two options in the brackets, bon and bonne. And bon is an adjective in the masculine singular form, whereas bonne is an adjective in the feminine singular form. And both these adjectives mean good, and in some cases, depending on the context, it can also mean right. So, knowing the differences in the usage of each of these options, we must now decide the correct adjective with respect to the noun in the sentence, that is question. Question is a noun which is feminine singular. So our answer here is bonne. C'est la bonne question. It's the right question. So we observe that the adjective bonne comes before the noun. Moving on to the third sentence. Elle a des cheveux tirés. Now, we have two options in the brackets, long and long. Long is masculine singular, long is masculine plural, and both of them mean long, as in short and long. Now, given the fact that we know the difference between the two, we must now choose one of them with respect to the noun, that is cheveux. Elle a des cheveux longs. She has long hair. So, cheveux is a noun which is masculine plural. So, our answer here is long. Elle a des cheveux longs. She has long hair. We are choosing the second option in the bracket because cheveux is masculine plural, so the adjective must agree with the noun. The fourth sentence. L'appartement a un jardin. The apartment has a dash garden. So the adjectives that we have in the brackets are grand and grande. Grand means big, and in some cases it may mean tall. That depends on the context where it's used. And grande, which means the same. However, grand is an adjective in the masculine singular form. Grande is an adjective that is in the feminine singular form. So now we must choose one with respect to the noun in the sentence, that is jardin. Jardin is masculine singular. So our answer here is grand. L'appartement a un grand jardin. The apartment has a big garden. Moving on to the next. Les enfants. The dash children. The adjectives in the brackets are petit, which is in the masculine plural form, and petite, which is in the feminine plural form, and both of them mean small. So we have to choose one with respect to the noun in the sentence, that is enfant. Enfant is masculine plural. So our answer here is petit. Les petits enfants, the small children or the little children. The sixth sentence. Une question tirée. A question dash. We'll see the full meaning of this sentence after we have solved. So, the adjectives in the brackets are difficile and difficile. Difficile is, it could be either for a noun that is masculine or feminine. However, it should be sure that the noun should be in the singular form. So you could use difficile for a noun that is either masculine or feminine. However, the noun should be singular. And difficile. This is for a noun that is in the plural form, irrespective of its gender. So now that we know the difference between the two, we must choose one with regard to the noun that is une question. Une question is a noun which is feminine singular. So our answer here is difficile without the S. Une question difficile, a difficult question. So you observe that difficile is an adjective that comes after the noun. Similar to the sixth sentence, we have the seventh sentence. La réponse est tirée. The answer is dash. So the opposite of difficile is facile, which means easy. Again, the same rule. Facile without the S is singular form. Facile with the S is in the plural form. So, given the fact that the noun in this sentence is la réponse, which is feminine singular, our answer here is facile. La réponse est facile. The answer is easy. Moving on to the eighth sentence. Ce ballon est tiré. This ball is dash. Now we have all the possible forms of the adjective round. The first option, rond. Rond is for a noun that is masculine singular. Ronde is for a noun that is feminine singular. Rond is for a noun that is masculine plural. And ronde is for a noun that is feminine plural. So, depending on the noun which is in the sentence, that is ce ballon. Ce ballon. Ballon is a noun which is masculine singular. So we need to choose an adjective in the brackets that is masculine singular. That is rond. R-O-N-D. The first option, rond. Ce ballon est rond. This ball is round. Moving on to the ninth sentence. Le repas est tiré. The meal is dash. The adjectives in the brackets are épicé. Épicé. This adjective would be used for a noun that is masculine singular, and épicé with the extra E would be used for a noun that is feminine singular, and both of them mean spicy. So, now that we know the difference between the two, we need to choose one which is suitable for the noun le repas. Le repas is masculine singular. So our answer here is épicé. Le repas est épicé. The meal is spicy. The 10th sentence. L'ambiance tirée. Now, we have positif and positive. Positif is used for a noun that is masculine singular. whereas positive is used for a noun that is feminine singular. So, l'ambiance is a noun which is feminine singular. So, our answer here will be positive. L'ambiance positive, positive ambience. The 11th sentence, les opinions tirées. So the adjectives in the brackets are negative and negative. Negative, this adjective would be used for a noun that is feminine plural, whereas negative would be used for a noun that is masculine plural. So we have to choose one for opinion, for the noun opinion. Opinion is a noun that is feminine plural. So our answer here is negative. Les opinions négatives, negative opinions. And the last sentence, un enfant tiré. So the adjectives in the brackets are heureux and heureuse. Heureux is an adjective that would be used for a noun that is masculine singular, whereas heureuse is an adjective for a noun that is feminine singular. So we have to choose one for the noun in the sentence, that is enfant. Enfant is a noun that is masculine singular. So our answer here is heureux. Un enfant heureux. Un enfant heureux means a happy child. Thank you for watching et à bientôt.